McKinnon, the puck chased down to the corner. McKinnon makes a hit. He feeds the puck center. Shot and score! McKinnon with a big hit. The centering pads and Rantanen finds the top corner, and the Avalanche strike first and lead 1-0.
Guys, the Avalanche have mixed their lines up a little bit. They moved Gabe Landeskog with McKinnon and Rantanen, and right off the bat, it pays big dividends. Hard work down the wall by McKinnon.
Hayden had the puck, 2-on-1, Chicago. The post! Oh, boy! Right off the post of the end, counter the other way. Kerfoot in the slot, shot! Nathan McKinnon! And it's a 2-0 lead for the Avalanche. What a series of changes there. Off the post. Barry saucers the pass across. McKinnon. Walton in, he shoots, save, and the puck is right down the goal line. And now it's in. Rantanen followed it up and scores his second goal. It comes with 2 seconds to go, and the Avalanche lead 3-0. And that went off of Lindholm, the aft defenseman, into the corner. There comes Free. McKinnon sprints out to center. 2-on-1 for the Avalanche. Landeskog in, shot, save, rebound, shot, score! McKinnon gave Landeskog extra effort to set it up, and it's 4-0 as.
Let's take this one all the way back. What I love about this.
Someone that has been battling cancer, are you scared?
Well, the Avalanche have made it a 5-0 lead. Bang, bang, and it's into the net. Just that quick, Mark.
Kane able to work his way into the O-zone. Shifted across to Hayden. He centered, that deflected to Kennedy, who fires. He scores! I'm not sure if that hit an Avalanche stick or not, but a long-range blast from Michael Kennedy finds the net. And the Hawks on the board, now down 4. Lindholm. Young guy who's only got 18 games in the league, but here comes a 2-on-1, and Anisimov shoots, he scores! Artem Anisimov looks off Patrick Sharp and stepped it by the stick side of Bernier, and now it's 5-2.
Real good work by the youngster Alex DeBrincat. Chopped this puck.
Off the board to the point, shot by Barry, blocked and a steal. Here comes Ryan Hartman, oh! Save and a beauty by Bernier. His best save of the game, Bernier. Softly tosses the pass back to the point. Slid across by Johnson. Barberio back to Johnson. Score! Tip in front. Johnson took the shot, and the puck was tipped in front of the net. And it's a 6-2 lead for the Avalanche.
It's Grimaldi who's coming over first. What a night! What a night!
Taken by Hartman. In front, here's Boma. His shot blocked. He tried again. It hit a skate, and diving Bernier tried to get it. He did not. They score! Bernier, for 2 or 3 occasions, tried to capture the puck. He never did. It might have been Hartman with a stop shot, and the Hawks now down.